This is a metal planetary ring roller, and I use this 1-inch flat metal. It's 1/8 of an inch thick, 1 inch wide. Now what I'm doing here is I'm making a lime wedge for a project I'm doing tomorrow morning. And the reason I need a giant lime wedge is because I'm making a giant martini glass. There we go. Now we'll get this straight piece welded on inside here. Coming together. I'm going to cut up to this point down this line, cut this piece of flat bar open, cut about 1/4 inch out of it, and I'll probably come out to here as well and cut this off. When I get this up on the margarita glass, I'm going to need this to be opened up to get it over, kind of like a lime wedge goes on the rim of a glass. So I'll end up welding this flat bar to this piece. That'll be opened up, that'll be gone. I need something to weld this lime to the glass to, so this is going to be the part that we mount with, if that makes any sense. You'll see on the next upload in a couple of days after we install this, you'll see how this all works out, and it'll look really, really cool when it's all done. So let's cut her open. I think that clear coat's going to work out just fine. Semi-gloss, fast drying polyurethane by Minwax. I use this stuff all the time. So there's the giant lime wedge with the patina on it, ready to be welded onto the side of the margarita glass tomorrow. Come back in a couple of days and I'll show you how I installed everything, see how it turns out. Pretty confident with it. And thanks for checking this one out.